Okay.
I wish I had known that.
First you go out in the woods and you get the perfect stick.
Peel your bark off the end.
You need a lunch bag, you need bacon. So what you do is you put 2 slices of bacon into the bottom of the bag. You do a scoop of hash browns. Oh yum, hash browns, hash browns, hash browns. A couple of scoops actually. Or you can put 1 or 2 eggs, wait a minute, in here. Just break your egg open. Oh dear. And then you would roll your lunch bag down 3 inches above the things that you put in your bag. And then you stick your stick through it. So your bag is on the end of your stick and you're ready to go cook it. A little
Here's something sizzling. Somebody's a sizzling.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yes, it's a good
That's
thing.
the bacon.
Mine's good. Mine turned out really good.
And when it's done, you just rip open the bag and step 4 is eating it.
That was a fun experience.